Why do most of these men tend to know God when they are very out of age? Please, before I say anything here in this video, I want you to help me answer that in the comment section. They dedicate all of their time, dedicate all of their energy mostly to God when they are almost out of age. Now look at what actor Iheme is doing with this local Orthodox kind of band, playing it with all manner of passion. Like, put so much passion in this playing of drum. Like, regularly, if he was young, if he was still a youth, like let's say all other younger top boys nowadays, he wouldn't have that time or have all of those strong energy to dedicate it to God. But now look at, age is out of his sight and he's going closely to God. Anyway, drop that in the comment section. I'll be sharing with you the highlight of actor Iheme playing this beautiful Orthodox music. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here.